Gajendra Moksham. In Hindu mythology, Puranas play an important role as they contain fascinating stories with a surprise element in them, depicting the manifestations of divine power. Gajendra Moksha is one such story from Bhagavad Purana. There are several versions to this touching tale, but the crux of the story is that Gajendra is in a river or lake when a crocodile catches him by his leg and tries to put him into the water. The name Gajendra means the ruler of the elephants. Gajendra uses all his might to free himself from the crocodile's clutches but finds himself overpowered. This fight goes on for many years. Gajendra, with a fat body and fat mind to match it, lived all his life with strength. Now his strength is challenged. The teeth of crocodile were cracking the bones, tearing apart the living tissues. In that pain, he realizes what a hopeless situation he is in. Then he suddenly remembers God. This beautiful story depicts Gajendra's state of mind. The transformation of Gajendra from remembering God to realizing God. Though his ignorance was adhyantam, as he starts realizing and surrendering. I do not desire to survive for what I have to do here. As an elephant enveloped inside out by ignorance, I do desire that this wheel of ignorance is lifted. In that total surrender, grace of divine uplifts Gajendra. Gaja means one who is caught in the cycle of birth and death, and Aja means one who does not have birth and death. This is the beauty of Sanskrit language. One who is Aja came to rescue Gaja. The whole story points out the truth that a seeker must learn to surrender. Gajendra Moksham is a story from Bhagavad Purana, is nothing but our own story of this life on earth. Out of ignorance and ego, how we are stuck here forgetting the truth of our existence. The beautiful verses from this story describes all pervading divine and a seeker's surrender and upliftment. I will link below the lyrical meaning of Gajendra Moksha prayer and also the musical format of it so that you can take most advantage of it. It is believed that chanting and hearing this powerful prayer will provide one with the power to face any difficulties in life and come out of unwanted situations. Peace and love to all.